Today we're going to be checking out Anyviewer, a remote access tool that promises speed, security, and simplicity without the usual headaches. I've been testing it out across a few devices, and here's the deal. This might be one of the easiest ways to control your PC from literally anywhere. So Anyviewer is a remote desktop application for Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android that lets you securely access another computer from anywhere. Think of it like TeamViewer or Chrome Remote Desktop. No cables, no IP addresses, just log in, connect, and you're in. Right off the bat, the setup process is simple. Just go to the website, download the application, create an account, and you're good to go. Okay, so this is how your interface will look like when you first launch the application. So you can accept and control your device, and here's your device ID. So basically this is what you actually paste on to control your device. Here's our devices. So this is a list of devices that are connected. So it supports unattended access, which means you can connect to your office PC without someone on the other hand. I'm going to be launching the Anyviewer on my phone and trying to connect or control my phone with my PC. So you can do this. You can also control another PC, another computer, but you can basically still control your phone. So here's my Samsung phone. As you can see, we have remote control over here, view screen, and properties. So when I click on properties, so this is basically everything. So if I just want to view my phone screen, I click on view screen, and then there's a pop-up here requesting to view screen. You can click on allow, and then you select a single app or an entire screen, then start. So once I minimize this, as you can see, I can view what the phone is actually doing. Okay, I can see everything. So I'm going to be using my phone to remotely control my PC. I have installed the application on my phone and I will be launching it. Since I've installed the software on my PC, it shows here with my PC name as Solomon PC. After clicking on it, you can see we have this menu here. One click control, view screen, lock, restart, shut down, unlock phone, and properties. First, I'll be trying to lock my PC by clicking on lock. After clicking on lock again, it shows that my PC is already locked. So for one click control, I can tap the screen to click and hover on my screen to move the mouse. Now, the experience is quite smooth and there's no latency. It also has privacy mode, which, as the name implies, prevents anyone from viewing your PC or what you're doing while remotely connected. You can also chat remotely, but this option is not available on Android, or at least not yet. For power management, you can lock, restart, or shut down your PC. You can also change your resolution using this application. Open window like this PC, Task Manager, and CMD. It's honestly surprising how many pro level features they packed in, especially since the base tier is completely free. Now there's a paid version, Anyviewer Pro and Enterprise, and here is where it starts to differ. So you can connect more device per account, faster transfer speed, high security controls, business features like role-based access. For most casual users, the free version is more than enough, but if you're an IT admin, remote support rep, or just someone who juggles multiple systems, Pro starts to make lots of sense. For most users, Anyviewer hits the sweet spot between simplicity and power. No bloated UI, no connection limits on free plans, and no nagging ads. So here's the bottom line. Anyviewer isn't trying to reinvent remote desktop, it's just doing it better than most. It's fast, secure, and gets out of your way. If you need a remote access tool for work, school, or tech support, this one is easy to recommend. Links are in the description, so if you want to try it out yourself, drop a like if you found this useful and let me know what's your go-to remote desktop tool. Curious to hear how you guys are managing your setups. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye.